Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's episode, I'm going to guide you through how you can play Bigo Live games. Before starting, if you are not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start by tapping open Bigo Live on your mobile device. Now as soon as you reach the home screen of the Bigo Live trap, the round icon is in the middle of the bottom, and once you do that, swipe to the game Live. Select the game you would want to play, but make sure that the game is installed on your device as well. After selecting the game, you can add a title in order to chat if you want, and after you are done, tap on Go Live, tap on Start Now from the pop-up, and you can play games on Bigo Live. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box. If you have a question or feedback for us, I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Again, thank you for watching.